Did you know that the spices that you put in your food can help fight diseases and slow down the natural aging process? After doing some research, the following 9 herbs can help you look and feel younger. Here are the top 9 anti-aging herbs that we recommend. Italian spice. Italian spice is a blend of powerful herbs that have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The spice can help you with problems that are triggered by inflammation like arthritis or asthma. Thyme. Thyme is a spice that has antimicrobial properties. In fact, many mouthwash companies add thyme to their mouthwash and antiseptic products. Thyme has a powerful antioxidant properties that can neutralize free radicals. Sage. If you suffer from arthritis, atherosclerosis, or asthma, sage is a spice that will help you. Sage is a powerful anti-inflammatory and can help give you relief from diseases that thrive off of inflammation. Marjoram. Do you have digestive problems? Adding marjoram spice to your meals can help to stimulate digestion. If you suffer from cramping and other digestive ailment, marjoram may be able to give you some relief. Oregano. The oregano spice is often used to fight fungal infections. Oregano is used in many Italian dishes. Apple pie spice. A spice blend that contains ginger. Ginger has many anti-aging properties. It is helpful in treating nausea. Not only that, ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and is even helpful in stimulating the liver. Jamaican allspice. This is a spice that is used in many countries as a remedy for gas and digestive problems. Cinnamon. Cinnamon doesn't just taste delicious. It helps to regulate your blood sugar and has anti-cancer properties. Turmeric. This was the spice that I recommended on the top 10 anti-aging herbs. It has been shown to be a powerful anti-inflammatory spice. It also helps fight nearly every type of cancer. Thank you.